Hey everybody, Drew here with Epic Arms and Outdoors. This is the last Asher knives review that I have got for now until they get some badass new knives in that I can review for them. But this is probably the most exciting review that I'm doing because at the end of the video, I'm going to put all of the information in the description box, of course, but we are going to be giving away one of these knives, so stay tuned. In addition to the original Century that I bought when I made my first purchase from Asher Knives, I also picked up the Asher Knives Classic. So reminiscent of a old slip joint, but this is actually a titanium frame lock. Pretty cool design. It does have a pocket clip, and like I say, it is a frame lock. So we're going to go over some basic specs, do a quick paper cut test, cardboard cut test, the usual, and then we will run a giveaway for this bad boy. To start off with, your overall length end to end is 6.45 inches. Your handle length is 3.6, and the blade is a 2.9 inch D2 stone wash clip point design. So it is a thumb stud opening, which is incredibly, it's incredibly smooth. Drop shut for sure. Almost got to be careful with that because it does drop shut very smooth. As far as the washers go, you're looking at ball bearings. It is a tip down right-handed only clip. That is the only thing that is kind of negative that I have to say about the entire knife. Honestly, I've thought about taking the pocket clip off and just putting it in a little leather slip and rocking it that way, which I may still do. We'll see. But kind of wanted to show off the knife in its entirety. The scales on this bad boy are titanium and very minimal branding, as Asher Knives likes to do. You're looking at the Asher Knives logo, nothing else on this side, and nothing on that side. All of your hardware is stainless steel, so the scales and the backspacer are titanium, and then the rest is stainless steel. Got a quick piece of paper here. Just do a quick paper cut test. And this thing is razor sharp. Always kind of weird doing it through the camera lens, as I mentioned, I believe, every single video. And this thing has been used quite a bit. So actually, I say no issues with the paper, but it might be time to put this thing on the strop and sharpen it up just a little bit. Like I say, I've had this thing for probably 6-8 months now, and it has seen quite a bit of use. Still going strong though, no real issues with it. And obviously not hacking down trees or anything crazy like that. The apple or orange here or there, and opening packages and whatnot. But just for giggles, we'll go ahead, break down some cardboard. And this D2 has definitely proven reliable. The heat treat on it is really good, and I love Asher's stonewash finish on their blades. So that's about it for today. Again, go to the description box and we are going to be giving a brand new one of these away over on the Instagram. So as soon as this video goes live, I will post a link to the video and whatnot on my Instagram, and we'll show you how to win this thing. Thanks, and y'all have an awesome day.